passion never ends. Bench lights glowing, cameras live, showing the passion that keeps the hobby alive. Every repair, every tune-in tip, helping others one video clip. No shortcuts, just dedication. Every day, learning, teaching, leading the way. DX Radio Shop, loud and clear. DX Radio Shop, year to year. Building a community second to none. Every view comes from a job well done. DX Radio Shop, loud and clear. DX Radio Shop, year to year. Every subscriber joins in on the fun. Quality work helps the channel grow. Turn the dial, let the whole world know. Quality work helps the channel grow. When your work speaks loud and true, people naturally come to you. Powered by knowledge, skill, and desire. More radio fans joining every day, sharing the hobby in a positive way. From the workshop to the YouTube stream, key the mic, let it play. Another great video on the way. Learning, teaching, leading the way, keeping it honest every day. DX Radio Shop, loud and clear. DX Radio Shop, year to year. Building a community second to none. Every view comes from a job well done. DX Radio Shop, loud and clear. DX Radio Shop, year to year. Every subscriber joins in on the fun. Quality work helps the channel grow. Showing the passion that keeps it alive, helping radio fans learn to thrive. Every upload, every tune-up, every save turns a workshop into a wave. DX Radio Shop, loud and clear. DX Radio Shop, year to year.